Welcome back, guys, to another video. So, I was playing this game, then I died, then, yeah, and we have to restart now. It's complicated.
Alright, welcome back YouTube to another video. Today we are playing a game called Sons of the Forest. Me and my friend Ollie, otherwise known as Bazooka1234, just got it. The whole point of the game is you survive on this cannibal island, and you were sent here to like find a missing billionaire. Your helicopter crashed, and now you had to survive without dying. This is our first time playing the game, so probably gonna be bad at it, but
Skipping this. I already saw this. Oh, we're on a beach now.
oh, we are? Oh, so that's cool. Like the spawn is different. Cause okay, guys, we did play one round before this, but we just like kind of did horrible. So this will be our first real run. All right, we're on a beach. You said?
Yeah.
Let's get this cutscene. We are on a beach. Oh, it's like coughing up water. Ew.
And there's already, is that a cannibal? Oh no, they're just dead people impaled.
There's dead people? What do you mean?
Yeah,
Where?
over there.
Oh, jeez. Oh, that's awful. That is awful. That's like actually awful. Their heads are skinned. Their heads are literally skinned. What do I have in my inventory? A knife? Yeah, I'm gonna keep this out. I'm like... Okay, we have Kelvin on our team. Keep Kelvin alive. Kill the birds, kill the birds. We need food. I'm sorry, birds. Come here. Get back here. No! Okay, I killed one bird. I killed one bird. One bird is dead. Oh, there's a little... Okay, we have pills and we have a bandage. Or, oh, duct tape. Okay, okay. One bird down. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
Wait. We're gonna skin this... Oh, ew, ew. Okay.
Right. What the hell? What's this? Radio.
Where do you have a radio?
I don't know.
Well, let me tell Kelvin to do something.
That's okay.
Build shelter. Build shelter. Okay. I'm telling him to build some shelter. Don't kill Kelvin. Okay. He built a shelter. Okay. Can you like make it a decent shelter at least?
Bird head.
Oh yeah, I killed a couple birds so I needed food. I killed this one. Ah. Ooh, okay. What the f did I just throw? What did I just throw? Add item. Okay, what do I have in here?
What? Why did I just... What the fuck? Grenade. Grenade.
Okay, we need to get... What do we need? Maintain base. Build clear shelter. Maybe that will work. Okay, Kelvin is definitely deaf. Okay, wait, is he gonna like... Oh my gosh, this is a dough. Jeez. A clam? Okay. Oh wait, that just... Okay, Ollie, I'm gonna go, try to find the nearest, like, a source of drinking water, okay?
I'm trying to make a base.
Because we need to find some drinking water. What is? Wait. Okay, wait. I can use this rock to probably knock down a tree.
There's a place to
Okay,
fall.
there we go. Okay. Okay. Let's see. How do I drop the rock? Oh, squirrel, get your bitch ass over here. Come here, buddy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Guy killed a squirrel. Trying to find some drinking water. Oh my goodness.
What?
Oh my god.
What? What?
This is horrible.
What is it?
Come over to me. Like, this is just genuine. This is horrible. Oh no. Ollie. Jeez. This is terrible. We need to cut this rope free, man. We can't.
Gross cakes.
These are cannibal. Look at their. Oh, that's
Do they
awful.
ever did? No.
Shut up, dude. Can I harvest these flowers? Okay, cool. What do we got over here? Oh, drinking water. Here we go. Okay, okay. Okay. Here's the nearest. Okay, here's drinking water. Drink some more drinking water. I'm just gonna keep on drinking. What? I am sick.
I need to keep making space.
Wait, what do you mean?
What?
It says I'm sick. Meds, eat. Will that make me not sick anymore? Okay. Meds make you not sick. Don't. Okay, how do we purify things? There has to be some way to like purify drinking water.
Shelter.
How do I rotate through my spots?
I don't know.
My inventory?
Just move your mouse.
Doesn't work for me. Let's see.
Oh. Kelvin built a base. Kind of save. Sleep.
What's this? Buckets? Are you building some sort of structure? What is this?
Fine.
How do I sleep?
Go here.
What is this goofy hot base? I mean, that's the job. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed.
It's night.
Oh, just all because I just went to bed? That just drained my hunger so much. How do we cook things? Okay, wait, where's the man at? There he is. Tell him to build a fire. Tell him to build a fire.
The light is.
So tell him to build. Is he gonna build a fire?
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna smelt some of our food that we have. Okay, I have. I did not mean to eat that. Fuck. No, don't eat it. Stop eating it. Stop eating it. You fucking dumbass. Oh, look. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I'm building us a base. Now, just get this side. Get this side. I need a stick. Do we have sticks?
I have a stick.
Okay, dude, come over here. Move this up. Oh, wait, never mind, I got it. Yeah. Okay, look, now we have a fully functioning shelter. That's cool. What's this? Zipline rope. Leaves. Okay. Let's keep this fire going.
Hey, there's cannibals.
There's cannibals? What?
Here.
Oh shit, they're here.
Stick.
Hey, get out! Should we kill them? No, don't. Let's kill them. Calm down. You get the other guy, I got this guy. He's dead. Ow. I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
Well, you can revive me.
Oh. Just give up. Under the water? I'm under the fucking water. Why am I under the water?
It's like sperm.
Oh, they tried to drown me. Okay. What do you mean I must retrieve my... Okay.
I'm hungry and thirsty. How do I get water?
Yeah, I just murdered this cannibal.
We should
Yes, I
put
think
him
I
on a
should.
stick and kill him.
Yeah. Yeah, nerd. Now let's throw him into the ocean. Get out of here. Yup. Off you go, buddy. How do I retrieve my backpack? Where's my backpack at? Nope. I'm dead.
No, Mateo.
Oh, shoot. Yo, we should restart again, not gonna lie.
No, bro. We have to learn.
Yeah, but we'll have a better chance of learning if we just keep on restarting over and over.
That's what they all say.
Because we'll learn new techniques each time.
How did this guy kill me in one hit?
Backpack. Okay.